Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw J-Hope of BTS. The drawing which I am going to draw is from BTS single Dynamite, which was later included in the album B. J-Hope is always full of energy and laughter. J-Hope will seriously go down in history as one of the most iconic artists of our generation. He has his own distinct style in his music. He lives up to his name. Listening to his music makes me feel hopeful. J Hope is such a sunshine. He is amazing. He sends such good vibes and is always positive. He can cheer anyone up. These words are not enough to express how awesome he is. The song recommendation which I have brought for y'all is song titled as Ego from the album Map of Soul 7. This song is about self-confidence and self-love. The chorus, "Just trust myself," is testament to the importance of self-confidence in achieving one's goal. J-Hope is mad talented. He can sing, rap, compose, produce, songwrite, does multiple dance styles, extroverted, caring, funny, and most importantly, he is a sunshine. The rap verses by J-Hope reflects on his personal journey and the struggles he faced before finding success. The theory says the song is being dark and scary. Hobby having a colorful MV with lots of effects and being happy. We are his hope, he is our hope, he is J-Hope. And lastly, for all the freaks, you are not freak but unique.